Welcome to the future of design. Here, we don't just teach digital media, we shape the innovators of tomorrow. Let's create something amazing. Here, we turn inspiration into reality. You'll master Photoshop by learning layers, masks, retouching, and the power of visual transformation. Notice how masking creates depth here. That is how we create a professional look. You'll use how these scattered color, typography, strong, balanced branding to make designs that communicate, not just decorate. Notice how these scattered elements suddenly snap into a strong, balanced layout, visual hierarchy. That's the secret to effective graphic design. We begin with a simple concept and map out every visual detail and map out clear direction, creative choices, and responsible use. Let's begin. Watch the concept evolve into a plan. See how setting and lighting align? Now you are ready to create. When we teach digital design, we focus on consistency. Every view must represent the same original identity. It's about precision in every single detail. Notice how the character's features stay perfectly aligned? Model turnaround sheets require precise feature mapping. This ensures total visual continuity. Design isn't just about static images. It's about bringing your imagination to life. Sometimes, you have to take a risk to find your future. That's where the real story begins. By the end, you'll plan, design, and produce work worthy of a real creative portfolio. This is the creative pipeline in action. Welcome to our Creative Digital Media Lab. Here, students bring their boldest ideas to life. Come and create with purpose. Bring your ideas. Be ready to create with purpose. Welcome to class.